Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to buy the battle pass right here on Fortnite. So what we have to do is just go into our second option where it says battle pass. Then we have challenges, compete, and so on. So let's just choose battle pass. And right now you guys can see that you guys can buy the bundle or the battle pass. So the bundle, yes, it comes with a lot of stuff already, but I always just go for the battle pass. I see bundles kind of like cheating, although I know they're not. You're buying your stuff, but it's kind of like cheating, so I feel bad. So we're just gonna buy the battle pass right now. We're gonna hold A. I think it's worth it because already I haven't bought it. I didn't buy it because I thought of just using my V-Bucks and everything just to give off stuff away to you guys. But up to now, I would have 400 V-Bucks. So I would earn whatever V-Bucks I'm spending right now in the battle pass back. So it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. So here we go. Now there's a lot of people joining my party. You will see that in the background. But anyways, here we go. There's challenges and stuff that I've already done. So I can equip this. I can go on next. So some of you may not see this if you haven't completed stuff. But I'm just going to have to go on and keep equipping stuff that I earned throughout my gameplay. Although I didn't have the battle pass. Yes, it doesn't really matter, because you guys have earned this anyways, which is great. It would be pretty bad if you guys played, and earned stuff and then didn't really get it, and then have to start from zero if you get the battle pass. But you guys will see that everything's good. Go next. We're gonna equip that. Next, 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 equip that. It's quite a lot of stuff that I've earned, which is pretty cool. And of course, I'm gonna claim my 400 V-Bucks. That's the main reason I'm getting the battle pass, anyways, because I'm making my V-Bucks back. Anyways, that would be it for this video. I have the battle pass. It's all good to go. That's it for this video. In my locker, I can see things that I earned. I can change my skins and so on. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.